Hi, it's 20th of August and I did not sleep. Right now the time is 4:40 a.m. obviously morning time, and I am here on the rooftop and you can see the city, the Jaipur city, and the wind is so good and I'm loving it. Even the whole month of August feels good. August skies are different. The clouds, it's like a small spring season for me, at least this is what I realized yesterday. I believe in this theory that, no, it's not a theory actually, it is something that I feel, that the evening of any festival, like if you have any festival tomorrow, but the evening of it has a lot more charm than the festival itself. It's overwhelming, but at the same time, it has a lot of craze. So the month of August for me, because it is what it is. It feels special. The shifting of weather, and it has something. It reminds me of good old days. It reminds me of clouds, the time lapses I used to make on the rooftop when I was at home in COVID. Reminds me of my college days. Also reminds me of the season that I joined the college, both the times, for my master's and my undergraduate degree. And the August of 2026 has been good so far. Uh, Not in terms of productivity, but in terms of the things, in terms of little things that I thought and I completed, which is a plus point. I was not able to sleep because already it was past 3, so there was no point of me lying there with my eyes wide open. So I thought of coming outside, and then I took the keys and I came to the rooftop, and nobody's here, and the wind is so good. My skin can feel it. When I'm in front of this, obviously nothing is visible, silhouettes, but good silhouettes. But still, you know, when I'm taking pauses, actually, I'm not taking pauses. It's just in my nature that I I stop while speaking. I just I just don't know why. And no pressure though. There is an aeroplane. Also, yesterday I wrote 2 blog posts, so I feel good. The one was about the 365, essay writing challenge that I took in the very starting of January in my mind, but never got his execution. Am I saying it properly? I don't know. But the plan was never reached to its execution part. So basically, last. Wow, that's the aeroplane. Me in same frame. Yes. So finally, the first entry of the essay. Also, yesterday was. What is this? Yesterday was. Yesterday means 19th of August 2026. It was photography day, and I did not post the whole day. But when the day was about to end, like only 20 minutes were remaining, I started having this FOMO. Not because other people are posting or something. I don't feel that way, but the you know kind of a feeling that this day will be gone, and the next year, like again after a year. So how can I let this day go, even though it's not like any event, and I did not feel that way like posting anything. But towards the end of the day, I was feeling like posting, so I did, without any other thought, without overthinking, basically, which I do a lot. But I love it when I don't care and I post. I like that version of me. And when I also posted the whole thing on the blog, again, like 2 articles a day, oh my god, good for me, I would say. Also, yesterday I slept till 6:30 p.m. So that's the reason the whole circle is now not circling. I can hear the temple bells, and this whole event, this whole thing reminds me of 2019. Another PG, another year, another story. Like, I used to wake up and I, kind of thought that I will wake up each day around 4. As per my traits, I must have thought of waking up around 3, but that's not possible when you are sleeping so late. But I decided to wake up around 4. Then I used to wake up at that time. I used to listen one certain bhajan. I don't think it comes under the category of bhajan, but it was related to God. If I listen to that sound now, it's it still does something to me. And this is how the wind used to blow. So much similarity. Like, it's been 6 to 7 years now. Wow. Even though it's my vlog. It's me who is recording, and it is going to be on my channel. I realized just now that While I'm taking the pauses, I'm feeling like I'm making it for someone else. Like if somebody will watch it, that person would not like the pauses. But why am I thinking of this? That's the point. That's the part that where I want to make some changes. Because it's not, this is not to please someone. This is something that I'm just recording because I felt like recording. And I do record a lot of these. It's just, it never makes to the public. And when I know that I'm not making it for other people, and I am just going to keep it with me, with myself, then I don't think much. I kind of express myself a bit clearer, and I simply don't have that fear of judgment. Like I just let it go. But this does not happen all the time. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to take a bit of walk, and then after a while I'm going to return to my room because now I can feel the heaviness in my eyes. Not in my eyes, I think on my eyelids.